What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to fix mic not working in REPO. So as with any app, these steps will help you to sort the problem when your mic might not be working. So the first thing you'll need to do is to go over to your Windows button, right click on it, and then click on Settings. Now while here in Settings, you're going to click on System, then go over to Sound. Then right here under Output, you'll need to make sure that you're selecting the right device for your microphone. So in my case, I'm using the voice meter aux input. This is like a virtual mixer, but in your case, you'll need to find your microphone in order to use it. My microphone has an option to plug in a headphone jack, and that's why it has an output option within the voice meter aux input. Now, all of this doesn't need to be remembered, but what you'll need to make sure of is that you're using the right output device, as you know, depending on what you're using on your PC. Then when you scroll down to input, this is where you'll be selecting the exact microphone which you'll be using. For example, I'm using the Audio-Technica AT2020 and it's selected right here. So you need to make sure that this is what is selected and something else is not selected. Another concern you might want to make sure of is the privacy and security option. Sometimes Windows might be blocking access to your microphone for a certain app. So all you need to do is to go over to privacy and security. After all of these suggestions are applied, go to privacy and security. Then you'll need to scroll down to where you have microphone. Click on it. And then right here, you have the option, let apps access your microphone. So you can see it's toggled on, but you also need to make sure that the exact app which you're looking for is toggled on. If it's REPO, you need to look for REPO app or any other app as a matter of fact. We hope this helps you out in fixing the mic not working error in REPO, but this is how you can go about it as one of the options.